just here, guys. Oh yeah.
There you are now, Brendan.
Using in both hands.
Goes through your head when you're at these award shows?
What am I going to say?
Too rude for television.
No, it isn't. No, literally, what am I going to say? Who am I going to forget now? It's great. I mean, it's humbling and all that. It's kind of a, there was a particularly strong kind of group of performances in there. And so you kind of, that winning is sort of a daft concept when there are different, different performances about different people, and like, how do you say one is against another? So you're kind of saying, well, of course it's fantastic. I can't even get a gong, why not? It's brilliant. And it means an awful lot coming from, the home base and with people that I really admire, as part of it. So it's fantastic. Really fantastic.
So what was it like? So you played Churchill.
Mm-hmm.
What was it like to sort of embody him and when you look back, can you actually watch your performance afterwards and go, I did quite well?
Well, you kind of watch it from the beginning. You have to watch it. Well, I do. So I kind of lived with it. It's 2 years really since it was finished. So in terms of the actual, it was a fantastic experience. I had a lot of really, really fantastic help. Really great help in terms of just putting me at ease with, like, John Washington was the dialect coach. And we went over for about 2 weeks over to the west of Ireland and just kind of basically immersed ourselves in this, because I was quite literally terrified that it'd just come out completely hokey. So there's a whole team of people kind of went into putting the film, making the film that it was. And so you feel kind of, you do feel you're embodying that in some way. It's great,
You've got something for it, which is fantastic.
Exactly.
You can't say it's hokey now.
Right.
You can't say it's hokey now.